How to play Please Donate on Roblox Mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Please Donate by first setting up a stand, creating game passes so your donation buttons are on your stand, and then how to customize your stand and donate to other players. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Roblox app and then select More in the bottom menu. Once you get to More, scroll down and select Create. And then once Create opens, select the three lines in the top left next to Home, and then select Creations. Once in Creations, it's going to show you your places. By default, every Roblox player has a place. If you have multiple, select the one that's public. Once you select your place, select the three lines in the top left one more time, and then in the menu that appears right here under the place's name, scroll down until you get to the monetization section and select Passes. Once in Passes, all you need to do to create your first game pass, and this is going to be what shows up on your stand in Please Donate, is select Create a Pass. You can add an image to it, but you don't need to. So go ahead and enter a name and you can give it a description. Keep in mind, follow their rules when you do this. You can get banned if you do anything that's against their rules here. So scroll down and then select Create Pass. It'll then bring you back to your list of passes. You can create as many as you want. That's the one we just created. If I scroll to the right, you can see that it is currently off sale. When it's off sale, it will not show up on your stand. So what we need to do to put it on sale is simply select that game pass. Once it loads the settings, select the three lines in the top left and then select sales. And then all you need to do is toggle on item for sale and give it a price. So this is how much you want to be donated. Keep in mind, Roblox keeps 40% of this. So if you do 100 Robux here, you're only going to get 60 Robux because Roblox keeps the rest. So go ahead and enter your price, then select done. And I disable regional pricing, but you can leave it on if you want to, and then select save changes. Once it says pass updated successfully, you can hit the back button up here until it brings you back to your passes, and you should see the game pass you just created. And if you scroll to the right, it'll have the current price. So now you can create as many game passes as you want, add a price, and when you're ready, close it and then open up Please Donate. Once you get into Please Donate, go around until you see a stand that says unclaimed under it right there. Go up to that stand, and when you see this menu right here, claim it by long pressing that, and then it will claim the stand. And as you can see, there's that game pass that we just created. It was 35 Robux. Now, if you want to customize your stand, just go back up to it until it says edit, long press that. And then you can first change your booth look. You can change the text, and then you can also change the look of the font and everything of that text. So now you're set up, you have game passes on your stand, and you're able to receive donations. If anybody donates to you, you might have to claim them. And you can do that by selecting this little pink icon that looks like a gift on the left side here, and then select the little mail icon, and those will be called gifts, and they'll be in here, and you just have to go in and claim them. You can also go up to other people's stands and donate to them by simply selecting the game pass, and then all you need to do is purchase it. If you have any Robux, I only have one, so I can't purchase it, but you just purchase it with the Robux, and then they will get that donation. So that's how you play Please Donate on Roblox Mobile. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.